Delicious cuisine should be exciting, not boring. Today, I will be introducing the brand new Geek Robocook Digi6, a pressure cooker that does it all. I want to unbox and show you the premium accessories it comes with and cook a recipe to show you just how great and easy it is to use. So let's get started and go ahead and open it up. It's great how well and protected it is packaged. It also includes a recipe book with over 100 Indian recipes to start cooking with. It comes with an instructional manual on how to operate the technology. And here we have the actual cooker pressure. Inside it includes different accessories. Here we have a rice paddle and a soup spoon, a measuring cup, and a condensation cup, as well as a power cord. It also includes a stainless steel steam rack, a rubber seal ring, and here is the stainless steel cooking pot, the pot you actually cook in, which makes for easy cooking and cleanup. So this electric pressure cooker is certified by BIS and is improvised with 7 safety guards and 20 preset menus for different cooking options, which makes cooking so easy as it is all in one. And not to forget, it also saves you space in your kitchen. It also includes exclusive access to Geek Robocook recipe app, where you can find over 1,000+ unique recipes to start cooking with. So if you were always the type to eat out at a restaurant, with this, you'll actually want to cook and eat at home, as it makes cooking so easy. It lets you choose the dish you want to cook and even allows you to meal prep and eat healthier, as it helps keeps the nutrients in the meal more stable. All of a twirl with your finger, which I will be showing you when I cook today's recipe. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be making a grilled ginger garlic chicken in one pot. We're going to use some olive oil, garlic paste, ginger paste, salt, dry mixed herbs, lemon drops, and a bit of chili flakes to give it a kick. We're going to let it sit for 30 minutes and we'll be back once it's ready. So now let's get cooking. So first, to open up the lid, you have to hold the handle firmly while pushing down on the red lid release button. Once it's turned on, we're going to press the saute button and wait for 30 seconds for the inner cooking pot to get heated up. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit of olive oil inside the cooking pot. Now it's time to add the chicken pieces in. I'm gonna add a bit more salt and pepper to give it a bit more taste. So let's close the lid and lock it back into place by twisting. We're gonna cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So now we can unlock it and flip the chicken over and do the same thing again to cook the other side for another 5 minutes. Now that it's done, let's open it back up and wow, you can see that this chicken is fully cooked and looks delicious. Here is this delicious grilled chicken that I served with hot salsa, and I'm so excited to eat this. So if you want to make your own healthy and exciting meals at home with more space in the kitchen and less of a mess, then I highly recommend purchasing the Geek Robocook. You won't regret it.